quick video about the 30-day program. Now that I have done it, I don't know how many times in the last 6 years of my career, my entrepreneurial journey with Arbonne. And I have several takeaways, but I'm going to give you my top 3 as a physician and lifestyle medicine specialist. So just a little bit about what that means is that I am very passionate about nutrition, and I definitely feel very strongly that food can truly make the difference between your wellness or your sickness. And we have so much more control over those things than we think we do, because in spite of all the advances in medicine, the basics are so much more important. How you sleep, how you eat, how you manage your stress, how you move your body, your healthy relationships, all of these things are so powerful in preventing disease, reversing disease, and even treating disease. I think the primary thing, the first thing we should start with any disease process is get to the basics with lifestyle. So back to Arbonne. I joined Arbonne about 6 years ago, and over that time, I've been vegan for a long time, but over that time, my knowledge about lifestyle medicine and the power of lifestyle medicine has broadened. I have spent a lot of time educating myself on the power of nutrition, on plant-based and plant-forward nutrition especially, but also on all the other lifestyle factors that are important. So with the 30-day program, I think this program can be so powerful because what it does is it gives you education, number one, about how to nourish your body with whole unprocessed foods. And that, I think, is the primary goal should be everybody's primary goal. Is the mainstay of what you consume should be whole unprocessed foods, mostly plants, which includes fruits and vegetables, whole grains, nuts and seeds, beans and legumes, and this should be the primary. So I love that this program focuses on that. And it really teaches you that, the things that may be harming you and what you consume every day, that it's okay to consume these things. So that's where I differ. I think that it is, so the one thing is the education. Number 2 is giving you the ease of use, because as a lifestyle medicine doctor and in my experience of trying to coach people to adopt a healthy lifestyle, I understand how hard it is in our busy lives with all of the distractions, all of the overscheduling, all of the trying to juggle so many different things, that it is important to have things that can help you make this change and support you in your goals. It would be nice if we could all cook every meal, plan every snack, and always be prepared for whatever comes our way. But that's not reality in this life. Ideally, I would actually love to live on an island somewhere where life is simple, but I also love being in the city and I love doing the things I do every day. So I realize that's not my reality. So I use these products as a tool to help me maintain my healthy lifestyle. My third tip is that the camaraderie and support is vital to making a lifestyle change. So that part also of the program is so, so vital. So if you are interested in learning more about this program and you would like me to be your coach, because that is the absolute bonus of this program, is having me and my experience coach you through it, drop me a message. Okay.